Hi, welcome to our mathematics session, the JEE Mains Test 4, which was held on 5/9/2021. My dear students, welcome to the paper discussion of this. I already sent the key to you, and in this video, I will try to explain how the each problem with a hint to you. Okay, I won't do the total problem because it takes really, if you want to do the total problem with solutions and answers, it takes 2-3 hours. For every problem I try to write the key, okay, and the corresponding hint I try to give, okay, for this. For example, my dear students, I think everyone is having the question paper with you because you have written online. Okay, that means offline. Sorry, my dear student, physically. The 51st problem, what they have given is the equation of the lines parallel to x minus 2y is equal to 1. Okay, we have here, my dear student, x minus 2y is equal to 1. The equation of the lines parallel to this line which touches the circle. Okay, they have given the circle like this, right? Which touches the circle. We have x minus 2y is equal to 1. This is what the line equation. And we need the equation of the lines which touches the circle. That means there are two tangents which touches both the endpoints of the diameter. That means these two lines are now parallel to, okay, the given line, of course. That means right from options, if we take, of course, and they have given the equation of the circle is, my dear students, x square plus y square, right? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0. What I try to tell you here is, my dear students, you know this circle, this center is nothing but what? Actually, the center is nothing but 1 comma, 2 comma, because this is what we have, minus 2z. 2z equal to minus 4, z is equal to 2. 2 comma 1. This is what the center we are having here. And the diameter is nothing but what? The distance between these two parallel lines, of course. Okay, and we want, right, what is, my dear students, is which one will have, right? Suppose if I find the distance between that, that means what is, we know the center, my dear student, the radius is nothing but here square root of g square plus f square minus 2 square plus of minus 1 square plus 15 we have here, of course. This is nothing but root over 20 we have like this. Root over 20 is nothing but what, Nana? Root over 20 is nothing but 2 root 5 like this. And the diameter is nothing but what? 2 into radius. That is nothing but 4 root 5. Now you see, my dear students, from the options you can check that which two lines distance, since these two lines are parallel. Okay, if you take two lines whose distance between them supposed to be the diameter, that means from the options you can easily check that. You have x minus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0, x minus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. If you check the distance between these two parallel lines, you know that its formula is nothing but c1 minus c2. Okay, this is nothing but 10 divided by root over 1 square plus of minus 2 square like this. This is nothing but 20 by root 5 like this. This is nothing but what you will get, Nana, 4 root 5. Therefore, option B is correct. This is what the hint regarding this particular problem. Understand, Nana? The distance between these two parallel lines is nothing but the diameter. That is what we have got. Therefore, option B is correct here. Right, my dear students, we have now the 52nd question. The locus of the centers of the circles for which one end of the diameter is 1 comma 1 while the other end is on the line. See, the other end I have taken it as x comma y. It is lying on some line, maybe, okay, that is lying on the line, something they given x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now they are asking locus of the centers. I am taking the locus of the center as something like h comma k. Right? Now you see, my dear students, this is the midpoint. The center is nothing but the midpoint of these 2 points. That means now 1 plus x by 2 is equal to h. Next 1 plus y by 2 is equal to k. We have like this. X is nothing but what? 2h minus 1. And y is nothing but 2k minus 1. Therefore, you just substitute, because this x comma y lies on this line. Okay, which line? X plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Just substitute here. This is now 2h minus 1 plus 2k minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. This is nothing but 2h plus 2k minus 5 is equal to 0. Now it is locus. We can convert that into, right, my dear students, we can convert that into what? Fine. We can convert this into xy. We will have here 2x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the way how we will get. This is nothing but option number C we are going to get for this problem, right? See, my dear student, now the third problem, 53rd problem, they are asking the value of k for which the circles x square plus y square is equal to 1 and x square plus y square minus 4 lambda x plus 8 equal to 0 have 2 common tangents. When they will have 2 common tangents means, my dear students, when both circles intersect each other like this, then you know that they have 2 common tangents like this, right? When they intersect, you see, my dear student, we have this is C1 and we have this is C2. The distance between the center C1, C2, right? What condition we will be having is, if the first circle is having the radius as R1, suppose, right, my dear student, the radius is R1, this, and this is R2. Okay, we will have R1 minus R2 modulus. This is C1, C2 less than R1 plus R2. You know, they given first circle and second circle. R1 is nothing but the radius of the first circle and R2 is nothing but radius of the second circle. Use this concept, my dear students. What we will have here, right? C1, C2 is nothing but, you know how to find center. The center of this circle is 0, 0. Center of this circle, you know that this is 2 lambda, 0. You know that, right? And you know C1, C2, you know R1, R2. Just put it in this equation and simplify. You will get the answer. This is what the hint for this particular problem, my dear students. If you simplify that, okay, you will get the answer as B. Okay, my dear students, this is very simple question. You know how to do that. This is the answer B, right? Now you see, my dear students, 54th question, many times we have discussed even in our online classes also. They have given that the chord of contact of tangents from a point on the circle. Okay, we have a point on the circle. Let us take the point on the circle as x1 comma y1, and this is circle is given by x square plus y square minus a square is equal to 0. That means it is satisfying. This point is lying on the circle, therefore it satisfies that x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square, we can say that. Now what they given is, if the chord of contact of tangents from a point on the circle to the circle, okay, you are drawing, just I am writing the another circle, of course. This is just rough diagram, my dear students. The chord of contact to this one, of course, right, like this. Okay, whose equation is nothing but, my dear students, x1 plus y1 minus b square is equal to 0. This is what S1. This is what the chord of contact to this circle, and this circle equation is x square plus y square minus b square is equal to 0. This is what the chord of contact we have here, right? And after that, what they have given, my dear students, touch the circle, and this now we have, okay, one circle, one more circle, x square plus y square is equal to c square. This line, what is this line? x1 plus y1 minus b square. This will touch this circle like this. This line is touching this circle. What is this circle? X square plus y square is equal to c square. Now this is the right center and the radius is c, and it is perpendicular. If you draw the perpendicular distance, my dear students, what we will have here, the perpendicular, this one is nothing but 0 into x1 plus 0 into y1 minus b square modulus, whole thing divided by root over, we have x1 square plus y1 square. This is equal to c we have, my dear students, right? this is equal to, you see my dear students, this is what we have here like this. And this is of course my dear students, this is b square by x1 square plus y1 square is equal to a square. Square root of a square is equal to c. Already I told you b square by a is equal to c, and b square is equal to ac we have. And we have got this condition, okay Nana. And what more they have given is then the roots of the equation are necessarily, they given the roots of the equation of ax square plus 2bx plus c is equal to 0. And the discriminant of this is what Nana? 4b square minus 4ac. Right? 4 if you take common, b square minus ac. That means 4 into 0, because this is what now we have b square minus ac equal to 0. This is 0. That means the roots are real and equal. This is the answer. Therefore, option B is what correct answer for this. Right, my dear students? Like this, we will do this problem. Now, come to this 55th question, my dear students. They have given the angle of intersection of the circles is theta. Okay, the angle of intersection of the two circles is theta. Right? Then the line passing through 1, 2. Then equation of the line passing through 1, 2 and making an angle theta with the y-axis. Right, my dear students? We have here two circles. The angle between them is given as theta. That means the angle between their tangents, Nana. This is what theta they have given, of course. I have given you already the formula. Cos theta is equal to r1 square plus r2 square minus d square by 2r1 r2. If you do, Nana, they given two circles here. If you do these two circles, what we are going to get is, my dear students, okay, yeah, what we are going to do, okay, get this angle we are going to get as this is equal to, actually, my dear students, orthogonal circles. That means we are going to get d square equal to r1 square plus r2 square. That means 0 by something we have, 2r1 by r2. That is 0. That means theta is equal to 90 degrees. Now, my dear student, what they are asking is here, the equation of the line, okay, which is making an angle 90 degrees with y-axis. 90 degrees with y-axis means this is what? A horizontal line. A horizontal line passing through the point 1, 2. A horizontal line passing through the point 1, 2. Horizontal line means what, Nana? Here y is equal to constant, and y is equal to 2 is what the answer, my dear student. Y is equal to 2 is the answer. That means option B is correct. But in the key they given it as A. That is wrong. It is option B, which is correct. Now, my dear students, we have here the 56th question. Already we have discussed the longest distance and the shortest distance from a given point to the circle. We have, my dear student, this is the circle equation, Nana, we have given here. Okay, they have given the circle equation and one point also they have given. Let us take that point as something like minus 7, 2. This is what the point P, and the circle equation, you know, right? This is given it as x square plus y square minus 10x minus 14y, right? Minus 51 is equal to 0. And whose center is nothing but, my dear students, you know that, this is what, if you take, of course, 5, 7, this is what the center. And from this point, already I told you, my dear student, if it this is A and this is B, if you take like this, right, my dear students, this is what the center of the circle, which gives. Now, the longest distance is nothing but, my dear student, you know the center and you can find the radius also here. Using the formula g square plus f square minus c, you will get the radius. And AB is nothing but what, Nana? The diameter, and this is nothing but 2r. From this you will get radius, you will get AB also. Now the longest distance, P is equal to, they have taken it as longest distance, like this. This is equal to the longest distance. P is equal to the longest distance, my dear students. We know that the distance from this to this, PB, okay. This how you will find PB. This is what, Nana? PB is nothing but, right? PC already, PC, because center you know, P you know, plus radius, PC plus radius. This is what the longest distance. And Q is nothing but the shortest distance, Nana. The shortest distance is is nothing but PA. Okay, the shortest distance is equal to, right, my dear student, you know how to find this. Shortest distance is equal to PA. This PA, you know, my dear students, you can write it as, you know, because PC minus radius. Okay, PC, because P is given, C is no. PC minus radius. Now you know PQ. Okay, we will get PQ nana. Find that then what they are asking, the geometric mean of P and Q. The geometric mean of P and Q is nothing but what? Root over PQ.